Hi everyone. Today I have a Ciceron's Breckwell brand pellet stove controller. I believe it's out of a P24 stove on my test bench. Ciceron sent it to me because he had some pellet feed issues with it, and I believe I've taken care of all of those. So I'll go ahead and turn on my test fixture, and when I do that with the power on, we see that the combustion fan and the convection fan are running. So they're being simulated by light bulbs in this case. There's two things I want to check here real quick before I start the auger. One is that the manual feed button, if I press it, the auger light will come on. So you can see there it is. That's telling me that the auger motor would spin, and as long as I hold my finger on the button, the motor will feed pellets into the pot. The second thing I want to show is that because I have my feed control on low, let's go on my camera here, the feed control on low, I can press the high fan button and that makes the light go brighter. So that would essentially make the convection motor run a little faster. So now I'll go ahead and I'll turn on the auger, and by pressing the switch, there's the green light come on, and I have to wait a little bit before a little bit of a timer goes through, and that will essentially turn my auger motor on, and we'll see that by the auger motor light bulb cycling on and off, and that should happen any second now. Just need to wait for time to go by. There it is. So that simulates the auger motor spinning. So we're feeding voltage to the auger motor. Everything seems to be fine with the controller. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set my intensity or the pellet feed control to maximum, and we'll see that the convection light will go on really bright. And I'm going to just wait it out, back up a little bit, wait it out, and as we see the auger light come on, the little green LED comes on in the pellet feed control system. So just wait for it to come on again. There it is. It's clearly a green light. So there's a few things wrong with this controller. I've made the repairs, made the updates, and now it seems to be functioning properly. I'll be sending it back to its owner. Thank you, Ciceron.